Goku, what are you doing this morning? You attacking my toes? Princess is here to say hi. Dog 2's trying to body slam Princess. You over there playing with Lord Voldemort, Goku? I ain't seen Darth Vader yet this morning. Where is he? Where's Darth Vader, Dog 2? Playing with something he shouldn't be. Oh, hold on, y'all. And we're back. Who's a happy dog? Who's a happy dog? You're a happy dog. Yeah. Goku. Why you keep on trying to attack my toes, Goku? There you go. Get Dog 2. Up behind the puppy diapers. Lord Voldemort's coming in. Oh, he got my foot. Folks like, I'll come get in on this action. Dog, what are you doing? What are you doing, man? I'm just trying to get my belt. I was over here trying to see what Darth Vader's doing. You know. Darth Vader. Hey. What's you over there doing? Oh, Princess. You just jealous. You're like, pay attention to me too.